In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a category in Zoho Desk. Whether you're just getting started with Zoho Desk or looking to refine your existing setup, understanding how to organize your knowledge base effectively is crucial for providing great support to your customers. Categories help structure your knowledge base so that information is easy to locate, both for your team and your users. Let's dive into the process. First things first. Make sure you log in to your Zoho Desk account. Now, it's important to note that you need to have admin access to perform these actions. If you're not the admin, you might want to reach out to that person to assist you with these changes. Once you're in, take a look at the navigation menu on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll want to locate the module labeled Knowledge Base. Click on it to proceed to the next step. After you're in the Knowledge Base section, look for the option that says Manage KB. This is where you'll be able to modify and manage various aspects of your knowledge base. Clicking on Manage KB will lead you to a new view consisting of all categories and articles organized there. What we want to focus on as our next move is the link listed as Organize Category. Go ahead and click on that. This option allows you to see and arrange the categories you already have in place, making it a great starting point if you're planning to create something new or see if a current category needs adjustments. Now that you're in the Organize Category section, take a glance at the top right corner of your screen. That's where you'll see a button marked Create Category. Occasionally, it might be labeled as Add Category instead, but don't worry, both lead to the same result. Click on it, and you'll notice the Add Category panel will smoothly slide in from the right part of your screen. This panel is where you'll actually create your new category. In this panel, you'll find fields where you can name your category and describe it if necessary. It's important to choose a clear and concise name that reflects the content the category will hold. Remember, a well-named category makes it easier for users to navigate your knowledge base. Once you've filled in the necessary information, go ahead and save your new category. And there you have it. You've just successfully added a new category in Zoho Desk. Organizing your knowledge base with clearly defined categories not only improves accessibility, but also enhances the overall user experience for both your support team and customers. Feel free to explore more ways to organize and customize your Zoho Desk to meet your unique needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, drop your thoughts below, and I'll be glad to assist you.